Forget boring bread. What if I told you you could whip up a vibrant, healthy flatbread using oats, spinach, eggs, Gotu Kola, and carrots? No white flour, no sugar, no yeast, no baking powder. Just clean, powerful ingredients that your body will love. This isn't just any flatbread, it's packed with nutrients, loaded with flavor, and actually helps with weight management and gut health. Gotu Kola for the brain, carrots for your skin, oats for fiber, and it all comes together in a flatbread so tasty you'll want to eat it plain. Right off the pan. Say goodbye to store-bought junk. This is bread reimagined. Tap that subscribe button and let's make your new favorite meal, starting now. While I chop the spinach, let me tell you why it's so good for you. Spinach is packed with iron, folate, and antioxidants that boost your energy, support healthy blood, and protect your eyes. Next, I'm grating some carrots. These bright veggies are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, great for your skin and eyesight. As I chop the Gotu Kola, here's something interesting. It's been used for centuries to improve brain function, memory, and even reduce anxiety. Now I'm chopping green chili and onions. Onions support your immune system, and green chilies? They help boost metabolism and fat burning. Ginger aids digestion, reduces nausea, and helps fight inflammation. Garlic is great for your heart and has natural antibacterial properties. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps reduce cholesterol levels, stabilize blood sugar, and support healthy digestion. They keep you feeling full for longer, making them great for weight management. Oats also support heart health and provide sustained energy. Now I'm adding the ground oats into a bowl and pouring in some water to form the base. As I mix, I'll add some black pepper, salt, and 3 eggs. Black pepper boosts the absorption of nutrients, and eggs are packed with high-quality protein and choline, great for your brain and muscles. Now I'm adding in the chopped spinach, carrots, Gotu Kola, onion, and green chili. This mix makes the flatbread not just colorful, but incredibly nutritious too. I'm also drizzling in some olive oil. Olive oil is heart healthy and rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Let's heat up a nonstick pan and apply a bit of coconut oil. Coconut oil contains healthy fats that give you quick energy and support fat metabolism. Now I'm pouring the batter to form one flatbread, just enough to cover the pan. I'll let it cook until golden on both sides, then repeat to make 4 in total. These healthy oat flatbreads are packed with flavor and full of nutrients. From spinach and Gotu Kola to oats and ginger, every bite is doing your body good. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and make it part of your healthy routine. By the way, I'd love to know, which country are you watching from? Drop your country name in the comments. I'm always excited to see where my viewers are from. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and simple recipes from around the world. See you in the next one.